Hello everyone, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
What if your next road trip across America did not begin with a hotel reservation or the stress of airport travel, but with a luxury motorhome that could carry your bedroom, your kitchen, your comfort, and your lifestyle wherever the highway takes you? Today on Rolling Wheels, we are comparing 3 impressive Class A motorhomes that all promise freedom, comfort, style, and serious road presence. The Thor Palazzo 36.3, the Winnebago Adventurer 36Z, and the Tiffin Allegro Bus 40IP. All 3 are big, all 3 are eye-catching, and all 3 are built for travelers who want more than basic transportation. But once you compare them properly, the differences become very interesting. One feels practical and smart, one feels balanced and dependable, and one clearly delivers a more premium luxury experience. So stay with me until the end, because if you have ever wondered which of these motorhomes would feel best for a real American road trip, this comparison will help make that choice easier. Let's start with the Thor Palazzo 36.3. The Thor Palazzo makes a strong first impression. From the outside, it looks like a serious touring coach. It has the wide windshield, the long body, the tall Class A stance, and the kind of highway presence that feels completely at home on American roads. It looks modern, it looks road-ready, and it looks like a motorhome built for real travel. That is one of the Palazzo's biggest strengths. It feels believable. It feels like a coach made for people who actually want to drive long distances, stop at beautiful places, and enjoy the motorhome lifestyle in a practical way. The exterior styling feels clean and confident, and the overall identity suggests a motorhome that can handle real travel life with comfort. Step inside, and the same personality continues. The living area feels open, relaxed, and easy to use. The seating looks inviting. The large windows help the interior feel brighter and less closed in. That natural light makes a real difference on longer trips. This is where the Palazzo starts to make sense. It feels like a space you could actually live in. You can imagine parking near a lake, waking up in the morning, and enjoying the quiet comfort of the interior before the day begins. Then you move into the kitchen area, and again, the Palazzo keeps making a solid case for itself. The layout feels practical, the counter space feels useful, the storage feels realistic, and the whole setup suggests that daily life on the road would feel manageable here. Then the bedroom area continues that same calm personality, comfortable, private, road trip ready. Overall, the Thor Palazzo 36.3 stands out as a motorhome that offers diesel Class A comfort, smart usability, and a premium feel without trying to become the most extreme luxury coach in the lineup. Now let's move to the Winnebago Adventurer 36Z, and this is where brand reputation becomes a major part of the story. Winnebago is one of the most recognized names in the American RV world. For many people, that name immediately creates trust, and that trust matters because comparing a motorhome is not only about looks, it is also about confidence. Confidence that the coach feels well understood. Confidence that the brand knows what RV owners actually need. From the outside, the Adventurer looks polished, balanced, and very comfortable in its identity. It does not need to shout for attention. It simply looks like a mature, well-developed American touring coach. The proportions feel right. The front view feels wide and commanding. And the whole motorhome gives off the impression of something designed by people who understand highway travel, campground life, and long road trip routines. Then you step inside, and that impression becomes even stronger. The interior feels bright, the layout feels natural, and the living area feels like a place where travelers could genuinely relax after a full day on the road. It does not feel overcomplicated, it simply feels comfortable. And comfort is one of the most important things in a coach like this, because once the driving stops, the motorhome becomes your environment, your evening space, your morning space, your place to rest. The kitchen adds to that appeal. It looks practical for real daily use. The layout feels easy to move through, and the overall flow suggests that life inside this coach would feel smooth and organized. Then you move toward the bedroom, and once again, the same balanced theme continues. Quiet, dependable, comfortable. The Adventurer may not chase the highest level of flashy luxury, but it offers something many travelers value just as much: trust, stability, and a very strong all-around touring personality. That is why the Winnebago Adventurer 36Z remains such an interesting motorhome in this comparison. Now we come to the Tiffin Allegro Bus 40IP, and this is where the comparison clearly enters a more premium world. The Allegro Bus immediately looks more upscale. The finish feels richer, the design feels more refined, and the overall visual character gives off a stronger luxury impression than the other 2 coaches. This is not just a big motorhome, it looks like a premium touring vehicle. For buyers who want their motorhome to feel special before they even step inside, that first impression matters a lot. Then you move inside, and the premium identity becomes even more obvious. The living area feels more refined, the cabinetry looks more detailed, the materials feel more upscale, and the whole interior gives off a stronger sense of craftsmanship. That word matters here, craftsmanship, because the Allegro bus does not simply feel assembled, it feels considered. It feels like more attention was given to the quality of the environment, the richness of the finishes, and the overall sense of luxury inside the coach. The seating area feels more elegant, the layout feels more polished, and the atmosphere feels designed for travelers who want the road trip experience to feel as upscale as possible. Then the kitchen continues the same story. It feels elevated, more premium, more refined. And the bedroom area completes the picture with a stronger sense of privacy, comfort, and quiet upscale living. If the Thor Palazzo feels practical and the Winnebago Adventurer feels balanced, then the Tiffin Allegro Bus feels clearly premium. So when you put all three side by side, the real decision comes down to what kind of traveler you are. The Thor Palazzo 36.3 stands out for practical diesel value, smart usability, and a believable real-world motorhome personality. The Winnebago Adventurer 36Z stands out for trusted brand confidence, balanced comfort, and the kind of classic American touring identity that many travelers naturally connect with. And the Tiffin Allegro Bus 40IP stands out for luxury, refinement, craftsmanship, and the most upscale atmosphere in this comparison. So which one is best? That depends on what matters most to you. If you want strong value and practical comfort, the Thor Palazzo makes a lot of sense. If you want a balanced motorhome from one of the most trusted names in the RV world, the Winnebago Adventurer may be the smartest overall pick. And if you want the most premium feel of the three, the Tiffin Allegro Bus is clearly the luxury choice. Now I want your honest opinion. If all three of these motorhomes were parked right in front of you and you could choose only one for your next big road trip, which one would you take? The practical Thor Palazzo, the balanced Winnebago Adventurer, or the premium Tiffin Allegro Bus? Tell me your choice in the comments. And if you enjoy luxury motorhomes, RV comparisons, and amazing homes on wheels, subscribe to Rolling Wheels for more videos like this.